God is everywhere and in everything, but the closest access you have to God is within you. God is in the heart center, in the middle of your chest. And if you lean your attention at the heart center, you can feel His presence, you can feel His love, you can feel His unconditional love. And just a drop of it makes you want to surrender. Nothing else matters but that love. And that is the love God has for us. So lean towards the love God has for you. And let all the worldly desires dissolve. And all your problems will go away. Live in your heart. And then share that love with others.